Hey, what's up guys? It's Claw Vista here, and right now I'm heading out to my gumball machine location right now. So when I get there, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, see ya. Alright guys, we have arrived at the car wash. So once I get in there, we'll see what's up. Alright, catch ya. Alright guys, we're back in here. Sprees did really good. Gumballs did decent. So I'm going to open them up and then we'll fill them and get the change out. Alright, we're going to fill it. Alright, cool. Got the gumballs. In a second. Okay guys, look at all this change in here. I'm gonna get it out. And then we'll count it up. Alright, we got it all done, so let's count it all good. Go to the gumballs. Alright, go to the gumballs. Now we're gonna close it up and then test everything. Actually, gotta get the money out first. I'm gonna do that real quick. Dropped one. Now we're gonna do a test here in a second. Alright guys, I'm gonna test. I'm gonna test this machine, my machines here, see if they're just funding properly. Alright, I put some other ones in, so that's why that's coming out like that, but that's the only reason why there's a few others. Alright, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, so what we got here is we got $16.75, all 2 quarters. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 75. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Just a little quick refill and get my money on the gumball machine. Links anyway, and peace out.